Hi guys, another video brought to you by Zaxis. We're trying to get in the habit of doing this at least once a week. Might send out maintenance videos, new material videos, whatever it may be. And if you have any requests for a video you'd like us to make, just let us know and we'll do it. We understand you're busy, so we'll make this quick. A lot of you currently have that iKits that are running. They may be your benchtop. A lot of them are in automation applications. And up till now, you either had to buy pressure decay, vacuum decay, or mass flow only. We cannot combine any test types in these. Well, now we have found that we can put pressure decay and vacuum decay in the same unit. We do need one external valve that basically just turns your vacuum on or off. But with that being said, you can do this. It doesn't have to be that big of a plate. We can do a little bit shorter one, but there'll be one valve external, but everything will run as you need. So now you can have pressure decay followed by vacuum decay on the same part. So it'll help you save some room on your assembly line. A lot of benefits with it this way. We still have the option on the top to plug your leak standards in. So we can have the leak standard valve there where you just leave this plugged into it all the time, or you can also make this a downstream occlusion valve. If that's the case and you do also need your leak standard still, we just do a Stably T connection on the front. That way you can have the best of all worlds and your automation process will be up and running very quickly. You guys are used to this display that we ship with all the iKits. That's a little TSI, the controller. Once you're set in automation, odds are this just gets thrown in a drawer and they'll be used for troubleshooting or whatnot. But we're getting requests for the larger screen to ship with the iKits. Currently, this is the 7-inch screen we ship with our pumps, and we'll get into those videos down the road as well. But we have this screen that we're developing a good, robust bezel that will go with it, so we can ship you the large screen. It'll be, like I say, very robust, you know, good thick bezel on it, and it'll be good and strong. So you'll have the option for either bezel to ship with it, and that's our new product. We'll try to keep up with new stuff, new videos sent out to you guys. And again, if you have any questions, give us a call, shoot us an email, and we'll see you soon. Bye.